Good evening. We're here with the winning coach, San Miguel Beer mentor, Leo Ostra. Coach, good evening. I think this win formalized your entry into the top four and at least twice to beat incentive in the quarterfinals.
Well, that's a welcome development for us. This is our goal since the start of the conference to get into the top four because of the incentives. But right now, we don't know yet kung sino mga kalaban. But still, we have to work hard because a lot of teams really hard to beat. And you can see naman, you cannot relax against this team, Terra Firma. They are out there to prove something. And they prove it in the first half dahil alam naman natin na they are capable. Capable. It's a matter of time for them to realize na they have to compete. But in our side, we're so relaxed at the first half. That's the reason why it's a catch-up situation for us. But fortunately, we have CJ. Talagang kanina nagpakita kung ano meron siya. Although, he played only 20 minutes because as much as possible, I want everybody to get playing time. And understandable naman ng mga players ito dahil the whole team is playing really hard practice and they're deserving some minutes to play.
Command and Crisis.